Ooh, ooh. Oh, cats, what can't they do? Oh, watching all these cat videos is making my eyes tired. Oh, my shoulders are getting tight too. All right, one more video. Let's go. Oh, cat barks like a dog. I gotta see that. No. I've been playing on my phone way too long. And Wes is gonna come out in a little bit. I don't want to miss him. All right, come on. Hey!
Dad.
Hey, buddy.
Hi. What you doing?
Oh, I was just putting my phone away. I was watching cat videos.
Oh, did you see the one with a cat that barks like a dog?
Oh, not yet. I watched so many videos, I didn't even notice how tired I was getting.
Oh, yeah. Cat videos will do that to you.
Yeah.
But today, my teacher was telling us that sometimes we need to stop, breathe, and pay attention to how we're feeling.
Oh, that's a little like what I just did.
Oh.
Hey, let's do it together.
Oh, okay.
Okay, well, stop, breathe, and how we're feeling. Okay. Whoa, I noticed I've been looking at my screen for so long, I didn't even notice what a beautiful day it is.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, let's walk through the park on our way home.
Oh, yeah, great idea. And look, there's a cat. Can you bark like a dog, little kitty? Aw, he tried.
All right, let's go, buddy.
Okay. Can you bark like a dog?
Elmo, you still having fun playing your game?
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure, son?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, Elmo loves playing Math Monster Mashup.
You're playing Spelephant.
Oh, yeah.
Elmo, sometimes when I'm staring at a screen for a long time, I try to stop, breathe, and pay attention to how I'm feeling. You want to try?
Oh, sure. Okay. Elmo will stop. Excuse me, Elmo. Elmo noticed this. He's feeling a little tired.
I bet. You've been playing that game for a while now.
Yeah, Elmo thinks so too.
So why don't we take a break and pick out a book?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. What about this book?
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah?
Jugglin' Jerry, the cat who could juggle.
Oh, that is a good one.
Oh, cats. What can't they do?
Oh, yeah.
Jugglin' Jerry, the cat, was wandering down his alley when he...
Oh, I got hit with a fur ball. Hey, you want to play another round of Go-Go Space Cat?
Well, we've been playing for a while.
Oh, well, maybe we should take a break.
Good idea, Wes.
What makes a great day even better?
Spending special time together.
Together we'll play games or watch videos.
We connect and we're mindful.
Sometimes we gotta stop and take a breath. Whoa.
See how we feel
And choose what to do next. We're the best when we connect. We can stop and take a breath. We'll always try to be mindful. Cause we're the best when we connect.
Yeah. So what should we do next, Wes? Oh, you want to play outside?
Yeah, let's go right meow.
Right, meow.